Hi, my name is Raisha and I'm working in Early Start Nurseries where we run our daily miles to promote our physical activities throughout the day. So yes, it does quite easily fit into our routine. We do it after our toothbrushing session. So that as soon as they finish brushing their teeth, they're all ready to go outside and loosen their feet and run around. It does link with our EYFS with the physical development and using their imagination in terms of play and also their listening attention skills. So we have planned different activities throughout the daily mile and where the children can move in different ways and understand the rules and different games that they can play. So it's about being able to move in different ways such as running, hopping, jumping and acting out as animals, exploring all parts of their bodies.
Alright, ready? Go! Hold on. No, follow the leader, please. You follow the leader. You follow the leader. I want you to jump from that side to that side, okay? Ready? Go! Come on, Lee. Help up, help up. Well done. Well done. A snake. Okay, slithering on the stomach. Yes, go on. From back. Snake, come on, snake. Wow, look at all the snakes coming.
I believe the children enjoy the daily mile as they enjoy outdoor experiences I believe it's really important to promote the outdoor experiences as not all children do have outdoor experiences in their daily lives and I believe it's important to promote that when we're in nursery to give them that opportunity that they do not experience at home.
About it.
We run around and we jump and we do high knees and we clap our hands and stretch our arms.
Who do you do the daily mile with?
Our friends and our teachers.
And how does the daily mile make you feel?
Happy.
How happy?
Super happy.
Super happy.